Hey y'all, Mythic Rare here. Thank you to all my A1 Day 1 subscribers. For anybody new or is just passing through, welcome. Today I have a dopamine package, and that means that I ordered something from Diamond Art Club 6 weeks ago, totally forgot what it was, and then, yeah, because life got in the way, and also my cat just keeps on meowing at me because I had my schedule changed up on me like a week and a half back, and all of a sudden I started work way early in the morning and I would be on break now, and somehow she has taken that to mean that that is now my everyday schedule when I am in fact back on my new schedule. Anyways, unhinged little work rant aside, I only have like 20-ish minutes to film this. This is why I'm like not drawing anything out or like being overly flowery with that intro. I am just trying to get right on into it. And oh, what did I get? What did I get? Oh yeah, because this came back into stock and I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, yes. Like I missed this the first time that it was in stock because I didn't have any money. And I think this is the first time that it's ever been restocked. It's by Yume Art. It's flower delivery, 70 centimeters by 102. Oh my lord. That is like the biggest kit that I have in my diamond painting stash. So that is how it works. Yeah, cat interruptions, but we're gonna do this anyways. I think I might have one more thing in here. Did I not get anything else? Sorry, just trying to, because I heard something. Yes. Yes. I did get something. I got one of these. So that is their Twist and Pick metal single placer. And also, timestamps are going to be in the description box below. So in case you just want to hop, skip, and jump on into that kit, that is totally fine. The reason why I got one of these is because this point, as you can see, is hollow, meaning the putty or the clear wax that they have, I can slot that into one of the cartridges and then use that metal placer, and then I will not have putty splooting out of the sides of these new Twist and Pick pens. Like, I don't know if it was me and then like other diamond painters who had encountered the same issue, but I am so glad that Diamond Art Club has listened to those concerns. Anywho, let's dive on into this, shall we? Oh, always, plastic warning, turn down those earbuds because this could get quite loud. Alright. Do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. And I love how they also took the suggestion of me and other people to where they started putting the cards inside of the thank you pamphlets. Yes, it is that kind of morning. It is a Monday, and Mondays in my experience are pretty poopy. So that's why I'm deciding to unbox this now. I couldn't get ready any sooner than this, so that's why I'm kind of rushing now. So there is our how-to diamond paint. You've got some discount codes right there, some tips and tricks, kit contents at the bottom, and then a few want all the inside scoop, join their Facebook group. But this one, I think they have the card just like free floating underneath. So there is our sticker for our logbook. Oh, this has 81 colors. And all of our beautiful colors. Our special drills are down there at the bottom. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fairy dust. So, the toolkit, it is gonna come with bag of baggies, bagception. Our tray with a sliding lid, they have the putty. This one has heart-shaped wax, and then you've got a 7-placer. On that pen, when I pull it out, it's gonna have a 4-placer already installed, a single placer on the other end. This is what this is, and in case this is maybe your first time ordering through Diamond Art Club, some of these tips, there we go. Some of these tips are gonna start to be hollow now, so then you can like twist the one end, and then your putty is gonna come out the top. And then, give me just a quick second while I get our trading card. Ooh. Oh my. I think that's another gold. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Sometimes it says on there. Oh, yeah, it does. It's gold. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, quick second while I scooch all the other thingies off of the bed and I can make room to roll out the canvas. Okay, thank you so much for waiting. Yes, like today you can totally tell it is a Monday. Like my hair is still even in a bonnet and we're having cat interruptions and all kinds of things. But without further ado, there she is. There's Kiki. Oh my goodness. I feel like the package of drills is a small child. Like, I feel like I just unrolled my diamond painting and like, it's a toddler, not a toddler, but it's almost like a newborn size of drills. Like, oh my goodness. I know, I'm like totally rolling my canvas the opposite direction. It is poured glue. I know some of y'all are like probably cringing at the fact that I kind of just like crumpled my canvas, but it's Diamond Art Club. They are incredibly durable. Whoa, okay. So I'm sure that some of you may be a tad concerned. These have the pink lines, but Diamond Art Club has since remedied that oopsie daisy where the pink lines are not going to show up on the canvas. Also, very, very good render quality as always. So down there is our licensing, and also very good sticky. Reason for the pink lines is perforated cover. You've got your oopsie insurance right there. You've got discount code right there in case you want to buy more. And then, whoa, there is our microphone. Yeah, it is indeed a Monday. Everything that can go wrong is possibly going wrong during this, but I don't want to. Oh my goodness. Okay, microphone, stay. So, this is our legend. And there is all the beautiful, beautiful flowers. Oh my gosh, I love this. So happy, so reminiscent of springtime, just absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. Others have unboxed this as well, so I'm sure like Diamonds and Washi, if not somebody else, is like probably given you all the drills and everything for this kit. Unfortunately, I am completely out of time. I need to pack this up and then log on into the work computer and start my day, but this is what the drills look like. Alright, so that was like really, really chaotic, but I'm glad that I was able to squeeze this in just before work. I hope to see you all later. Bye!